Mahesh Priya, Tirukural first. S. Prashant Kundalia, Hindi recitation first. Pradap Jabaraj, art third. M. Vijay Kumar Sharma, Hindi recitation second. Next, 7th standard, S. Abhinaya, English essay second, English recitation first, Tamil essay first and general proficiency third. D. Shivnath, English essay third, English recitation third, Tamil essay third and general proficiency second. D. K. Swatika, column second, art second and craft first. C. Vignesh, English essay third and general proficiency first. M. Monica Daga, Hindi oratorical first and Hindi essay first. K. Jairam, Hindi oratorical third and Hindi essay third. M. Deepalakshmi, dance first. S. Divya, Tirukural second. G.T. Srinath, Tamil oratorical second. Next, 8th standard, B. Divya Ruth, English oratorical second, English essay second, column third, floral arrangement first, general proficiency third, art third. R. Bhadra, Tamil essay first, Hindi essay first, art third, general proficiency first and craft first. B. Jameen Ramsey, English essay third, English recitation first, Hindi oratorical third. S. Vasant, Hindi recitation second, column second and folk song third. G. Pavitra, English oratorical. G. Pavitra, English oratorical third, Tamil oratorical first. J. Hemalata, general proficiency second. N. Narendran Kamath, folk song second. K. Deepalakshmi, column first. Rima Pincha, Hindi essay second. S. Sanmoha Prasanna, art first. K. Uma Maheshwari, column third. N. Uma Shankar, English recitation third. K. Vasudevan, English recitation second. S. Deepalakshmi, consolation prize in Hindi essay. S. 9th standard, D. Anita, English oratorical first, English recitation first, Tamil essay second, Tirukural second, patriotic song first, folk song first, floral arrangement second and general proficiency third. R. Tangaprabhu, Tamil essay third, patriotic song third and folk song third. G.K. Tankeshwaran, Hindi recitation consolation prize, column second and general proficiency second. M. Beena Sharma, Hindi oratorical second and Hindi recitation second. Sorry, third. K. Lalita Bihai, column third. A. Ruth Kishore, Hindi oratorical first and Hindi essay third. Basant Raja Singh, English essay first and English recitation second. J. Jaykumar, Tirukural first. Meenakshi Lakotia, Hindi recitation first and craft first. S.R. Kasirajan, column 3rd. K. Narayanaswamy, Tirukural 3rd. J. Srinivasan, General Proficiency 1st. Tenth standard. S. Sabarish, English Oratorical 2nd, English Essay 1st, English Recitation 3rd, Tirukural 3rd and General Proficiency 1st. S. Kirtika, Hindi Oratorical 3rd, Hindi Recitation 2nd and Patriotic Song 2nd. C. Pradeep, Tamil Essay 2nd, General Proficiency 3rd. J. Mahesharaj, General Proficiency 2nd. J. Mahesharaj, General Proficiency 2nd. N. Manikandeshwaran, Art 1st. S. Krishnakumar, Art 3rd. K. Shankar, Tirukural 2nd. J. Balamurugan, Art 2nd. M. Amita Chaudhya, Hindi Recitation Consolation Prize. K. Prabhakar, Hindi Essay Consolation Prize. Now 11th standard, L. Pankaj Lakotia, English Oratorical 1st, English Recitation 3rd, Hindi Oratorical 1st, Hindi Essay 1st, Hindi Recitation 3rd and Art 1st. S. Sheila, English Essay 2nd, Hindi Essay 2nd, Hindi Recitation 1st, General Proficiency 1st. M. Praveen Kumar Chaudhya, Hindi Essay 3rd, Art 2nd, Consolation Prize in Hindi Oratorical. B. Apsaran Raja, English Oratorical 3rd, English Recitation 1st, Hindi Oratorical 2nd. S. Akila, column 3rd and floral arrangement 2nd. P. Ramanand Babu, floral arrangement 3rd and general proficiency 2nd. R. Ramesh Pandey, English Essay 3rd and Tamil Essay 1st. N. Dhanvanti Kamak, English Recitation 2nd, Tirukural 1st. NRKR Selvaratnam, floral arrangement 1st. K. Veeraraghavan, Tamil Oratorical 1st. R. Abhirami, column 2nd. C. Anandavadivel, Tamil Oratorical 3rd. C. Anandavadivel, Tamil Oratorical 3rd. J. Charmaraj, Art 3rd. Twelfth standard, K. Saranyan, Tamil Essay 3rd and General Proficiency 3rd. A. Rajadurai, General Proficiency 1st. B. Parmod Kumar Botra, General Proficiency 2nd. J. Krishnabala, Tamil Oratorical 2nd. S. Ramanan, Art 3rd. S. Ramanan, Art 3rd. General proficiency for the year 1991-92. Class LKG KLLRSC Cynthia Mall Memorial Medal. KLLRSC Next UKG S Sindhu Natarajan Nadar Memorial Medal. KLLRSC First standard DP Sam Solomon Kalepa Nadar Memorial Medal. Second standard A Vigneshwaran Rajaratnam Ravindran Medal. Second standard A Vigneshwaran. Third standard O Nisha Kandai NRKR Tilavadi Ravindran Medal. Fourth standard K. Ilango Siranjiratnam Ravindran Medal. Fifth standard J. Anta Abraham NRKR Ravindran Medal. Sixth standard C. Vignesh NRKR Rajaratnam Nadar Memorial Medal. Seventh standard Bhadra Rajmohan NRKR Pootayamal Memorial Medal. Eighth standard J. Srinivasan Selvaratnam Ravindran Medal. Ninth standard S. Sabaresh Standard Match Industries Medal. Eleventh standard Science Group A. Rajadurai NRK Printers Medal. Commerce Group T. Duraganesh Standard Chloride Medal. Tenth standard S. Sheila NRKR KN Lakshmi Tayamal Memorial Medal. 12th standard M. Rajkamal Hint Match Medal. Thank you, sir. Now I invite our partners to give away the prize for the outstanding performance by S. Sheila of 11th standard for getting state first in Hindi in the metric exam 1991-92. I call our Hindi sir B.R. Ganesh to get his award for his work in making a Sheila to get state first in Hindi. Thank you.
Correspondent of the school, Mr. Ravindran, Mrs. Ravindran, Principal, Mr. Balasundaram, staff members, distinguished guests, and my dear young friends. And when the principal invited me to attend this function, ever since that I was looking forward to meet all of you, and today I am really happy to be here. Just before this function, I had the chance to go around the exhibitions which have been held in the school on the occasion of this Founders' Day, and I must say that I was really delighted to see the performance of all the participants. They have really done a lot of hard work, and they have really put in a lot of efforts in making all the beautiful and intelligent exhibits. I congratulate all the participants of the exhibition for the excellent work done by them. And the one striking feature about this exhibition is the variety. There are sections on electronics, on physics, on chemistry, on biology, on art, on sculpture, everything is represented. This is a window to the variety of activities going on in the school, and I am sure that you will agree with me that the credit for this goes to the patron of the school. I convey to him my special congratulations for taking such a keen interest and giving to the students such a wide canvas to work on. Of course, I congratulate all the staff members and principal for making all this happen. I was told by the principal that there have been several activities throughout the year also, and they have all participated very enthusiastically in all these activities. Activities are the things which give life to your school. So I congratulate all the participants, and special felicitations to all the prize winners of today for their superlative performance. And I hope that the people who have not won prizes today will win it tomorrow. If you think you are a winner, you will be a winner. And I am sure each one of you will be a winner, and that will be the happiest day for the school. Regarding the prizes, a small request to the principal. I saw that a few prizes were named consolation prizes. It's a really bad term, though it is universally used. Please convert it to encouragement prizes. I hope principal will agree with me. Well, giving a school day address is a really difficult task. I do not know what to speak. But then I realized that we should not say something because you have to say something. We should say something because we have something to say. So I'll try to find something to say, and today I will say something about some profound changes that are taking place in the world which affect our human life at all levels, right from the global level to our individual level. And I'll try to derive some message for the school children of that. And today I am talking about the changes in power structures. we can see that in today's world, everything is changing. Changes is the change in the structure of power. The power structures that were holding our world together, that were defining our lives, are all undergoing a thorough and profound change. They are undergoing a transformation. What power? Power is P-O-W-E-R. Englishman pronounce it as power. We Indians in our typical English say power or something. It's a small word, but very wide and giving me this opportunity to speak to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. அடுத்து விழாவின் சிறப்பு விருந்தினருக்கு பள்ளியின் செயலாளர் அன்பின் நினைவாக பரிசு வழங்குகின்றார். I request our pastor to give memento to our beloved chief guest. Thank you, sir. தொடர்ந்து நன்றி நகுலர் வழங்குபவர் செல்வி ச அனிதா. Vote of thanks by D. Anita.
Love will take you up. And if you're feeling down, love will take you up. We're happy, we are so very happy. We're singing and laughing, happy all the day. Life is fun this way. Love can be the good that others cannot do. Love can be the good that others cannot do. We're happy, we are so very happy. We're singing and laughing, happy all the day. Life is fun this way. Give a little love.
புத்தகம் கையில் எடுத்துவிடு, அது உன் போர்வாள். நாட்டிற்கு நீ தேவை, உனக்கோ கல்வி தேவை. அறிவொளி இயக்கம் மக்கள் இயக்கம். அறிவொளி இயக்கம் மக்கள் எழுதிய புதிய சரித்திரம். படிப்போம் படிப்போம், தொடர்ந்து படிப்போம், தொடர்ந்து கற்போம், சொந்த காலில் நிற்போம். நன்றி.
My friend, why can't you do some work for your daily bread? Oh, Mom, I can't. Hey, Dad, don't believe it. Take this cow to the market and sell it. We have nothing else in the world except a cow. Oh, sure, I can sell her for a good price. Where are you going to the cow? I'm taking it to the market to sell it, sir. I'll make a bargain with you. Ah, that's fine. I'm not a fool to exchange my cow for your beans. Make some other bargain. But these are not ordinary beans. These are magic beans. Magic beans? Oh, what a fine thing it would be to have some magic beans. Okay, I agree this bargain. My friends have come too early. Look, Mom, I have made a good bargain. You bad, stupid boy. Now we shall swell his star. Mom, they are magic beans. Get lost. You'll have no supper tonight. The beanstalk. The magic beanstalk. But taller and stronger than any tree.
அமைதியை குலைக்கின்றது இல்லையா? அது மட்டுமா? இந்த வாகனத்தின் கரும்புகை கொண்டல் தென்றல் வாடைக்காற்றுகளில் கலந்து அவற்றை தூய்மையற்றதாக மாற்றுகின்றன. அக்காற்றை நாம் சுவாசித்தால் உடல்நலக்கேடுகள் உண்டாகின்றன. எனவே தேவையின்றி வாகனங்களில் ஒலி எழுப்புவதை தவிர்ப்போம். காற்றின் தூய்மையை காப்போம். நன்றி.
அவங்கள வசதியா இருக்காங்க. அது நம்ம தான வீடு ஏற்று பைத்தியமே பிடிச்சிருமா எங்க வண்டிது அப்படின்னா ஏதாவது விளையாடலாமா? என்ன விளையாடலாம்? வேண்டாம், அதெல்லாம் சின்ன பசங்க விளையாட்டு. நமக்கு ஒரு யோசனை இருக்கு. இப்ப நான் கண்ணு சொன்னா எல்லாரும் கண்ணை தொடணும், வாயும் சொன்னா எல்லாரும் வாயை தொடணும். அந்த மாதிரி விளையாட்டு விளையாடுமா? அப்ப சரி, எல்லாரும் தயாரா? நான் சொல்றேன். கண், தலை, வயிறு,
எப்படி சத்தம் போறீங்க?
பசியா,
சோறா?
இந்த வார்த்தை யார் சொல்லிட்டு
இது ஏதோ சரி இருக்குது.
நினைக்கிறேன் ஆயிரம் சரியா தான் இருக்கும்.
நம்ம கீழே இருக்க அவங்க பண்ற சரிதான் இது.
இதுக்கெல்லாம் நீங்க இடம் விடக்கூடாது.